In designing and illustrating the composition, the typesetting, the choice of colour, the crafting of the aesthetic can visually suggest more. Applying semiosis can enhance how illustrators and designers can improve your effectiveness to do this. The aim of effective visual communication in illustration and design is to get noticed by the intended audience, be understood by that audience, be remembered by that audience. Design decisions can lead illustrators and designers to miscommunicate. There are too many variables to cover here, so we are only going to focus on 3 bad habits that can negatively add visual noise. Now, this visual noise gets in the way of effective visual communication, but with a basic application of semiosis thinking to your visual elements, then your communication can be enhanced.